I'm not really looking forward to doing this, but I am looking forward to having it done. It has the 3 openings there. Got a really special guest here today. Oh, it's going nowhere. I'm not really looking forward to doing this, but I am looking forward to having it done. I'm made of blue. I drove up to Cairns, picked up a tank out of a diesel, and I was thinking, okay, yeah, they're the same tank, they fit in the same spot, blah, 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 but they don't. There's a couple of differences. This is the petrol variant. It has the 3 openings there. The diesel variant only has 2. Fair bit of shit's coming out of it. Might take a while. Oh, and I'm going to get the shits with this in a minute. If anyone's got a better idea on how to do this, get all this fucking rust out. Let's make a loose rust of all ears. So I've got that pretty clean. It's about as much as I can get out of it, or as much effort as I'm prepared to put into it, to be honest. Of course, it's a child-proof lid, and I'm a bit of a child at heart. Not a great idea. I'll just leave that with the fan blowing and that should dry it out. And for everyone who might be worried about this going boom with a few sparks and stuff maybe coming off this fan, I'm aware of that and I am prepared. Alright, so I'm not getting any big clouds of dust coming out of it now. That was all after the metho went in and the metho was dried out. It left this residue of dust. Pretty much I've got most of that out. I'm never going to get it all. And I think that might end up doing me for the night. Cheers. This is not going to be easy, and I'm not 100% certain that I'm actually going to be able to do this by myself. But I don't like my chances, to be honest. I really think I'm going to need another pair of hands here.
This is the hole what the tank fits in. That in itself is not a problem. The problem is going to be getting up here and getting the bloody fill lines on. It has the sub tank and everything. That's the pump and everything for it. And it is all in the way. I'm not sure how the hell I'm going to get onto these pipes. Now, I'm going to have a crack at it, but honestly, I don't know how I'm going to go here. I really don't think that I'm going to be able to do this by myself.
Last 3 hours I've been lying under that, trying to get that fuel tank in by myself, and I just can't do it. I'm going to have to get some help, so I'm beaten for the moment. So I'm done for the night, that's for bloody sure. I think a couple of beers are going to go down quite nicely. Tomorrow, I've got a very special guest coming in.
Well, we're back. We're under the thing, and we've got a really special guest here today. The one and only, the inimitable Mr. Skid Pig.
How's it going, guys?
And this is an absolute shit of a job. There's no way known I could do this by myself. And I'm struggling doing it with 2 of us.
Yeah, I'm just in charge of jacking off.
You can do me when we're finished, mate. Let's see if this tank will push in. Okay, go up a bit. Alright, hold that. You know, you're really privileged here, mate.
Yeah?
You're the only person who has done anything else other than me on this vehicle.
Oh, true.
Absolutely. It is an honour to work on Benno's making a heap of shit. What's that going on? I'm not going to come. They've both slipped into place.
Oh, nice.
Thank fuck for that. Let's someone get the clamps on now.
Yep, alright. So I'll lower it down.
No.
Then once you get that all strapped up, and what do you got to do?
I get the strap on, It's got 2 clamps. I've got one spring clamp and one 10mm.
What sort of strap on are you using?
Yeah, big one with the ribs on it, mate.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, geez, that actually might go. That actually might go together
No way.
if I can find a bolt. Can you go up a bit? Stick it up, mate.
How much?
A bit more. Oh, it's in the hole. Oh, God, it's in.
Yes.
Remind me, I've got to take these back out once it's in.
Zip ties.
Yep.
Don't forget to take them zip ties out once you're done.
Okay.
What are they, just holding the rubber on the strap?
Yeah, the glue came undone. Oh, I don't fucking believe it.
Straight in.
That's gone straight in.
Look at that.
Bit like my ex-wife and her boyfriend.
Straight in.
Straight in.
Now, how long you been attempting this job?
From pulling it out to now, 6 days.
Shit.
That's why I didn't get a video out this week.
Yeah.
It was fucking, there was nothing to fucking put out. This shit's so hard to film when you're on your own too.
Yeah.
You'd have found that when you're doing your boat.
100%. I'll just finish that anchor winch video, so that'll be up.
Yeah, I saw that as a member.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's dropping on Friday.
Yeah, cool. Well, you won't have a look at that. Skid Pig, YouTube.
Very dodgy attempt at installing an anchor winch. It works, but she's on.
Yeah, as long as it works, mate. Works it right.
What are you just putting the clamps on now?
Yeah, I'm just trying to move the clamp into place. Just trying to grab it with the little magnet.
Yeah. Shouldn't you be using stainless steel clamps, mate?
Well, this is what was on it.
Yeah.
This is what came off it, so that's what I'm putting back on. Probably should use stainless, but you know.
Your magnet trick might not work in that situation.
That's pretty much it. That might be why it's not fucking working now. Sticking to everything but what I want. But I got it up there.
That's the main thing.
Yep. Ends in.
Ends in.
If she squeals or not. So I'd recommend anyone who's thinking about doing this job, pay someone to do it.
Yeah.
If I had have realised it's going to be such a prick of a job, I probably would have taken it someone to do.
Yeah. With a hoist might not be so hard.
No, probably a lot easier with a hoist. I hope I've got that clamp in the right spot. Oh, and I can see right now I fucking haven't. It's just a never-ending comedy of friggin' errors. Sure. Oh.
That was close.
That was nearly teeth. There's a set of rules here, I just wish I knew what they were. Ears filling up with dirt.
Lovely.
Yeah, just gonna love that. No wonder I'm going deaf.
Let's get the air gun, mate. Blow it out.
That's it. I need smaller hands. Your hands are bigger than mine. So
Yeah, can't help you
you're
there.
fucking no chance in here.
My hands are too rough to do anything else you might be thinking of.
I don't know, like a bit of rough.
Gotcha.
Straight hit me throat. That's worse than swallowing a fly.
That's what you said to me at the drive-in.
Yeah. It was too. I didn't know it would be chunky. Oh, that's better than sex. Because that's actually in the right spot.
Yeah, you're allowed to be there.
Oh, yeah. That's that one on. One to go. Oh, those stupid spring clips. Well, I call them stupid. I don't like them.
They're definitely not the easiest to manoeuvre around.
Especially when there's no way to get a tool in there.
Yeah.
I have to just try and do it by hand. can't get my hand in there enough to squeeze it together.
Can you get like a set of needle nose long ones in there or something?
Nah. I get my hand in there, there's not enough room behind it.
Yeah. Zip tie?
Yeah, I'm not far off it. No, I've just about got it. I think that's in place. For anyone who might be interested, this is the bullshit I'm working with. There's just no room to get hands in. Like, that's my hand. Mine don't have the biggest hand in the world, and I can't get into this fucking thing. That's as on as it's gonna get. And I think Mr. Pig needed to remind me of something. What did you need to remind me? I can't remember what it was.
Take your zip ties off.
Tighten those mounting brackets. Oh, fucking hell, it's big. Your shaft's got to go back in, but we're not going to do that now. Because I couldn't be fucked. I want to get out from underneath this thing. Well, don't go that way. Nearly went backwards. Oh, something I've got to check before we go right up. Don't be a cunt.
So what are you doing here?
Okay, so I've got all the fuel lines. That's the fuel line out of the tank. It's a breather line and a fill line from the sub tank.
Yep.
I'm just going to make sure that they're going to be able to go onto their respective pipes.
Yep.
And that's right, and that's right. Got all my wiring. Just plug that together straight up. I can't lose it. Right, everything's there, that's fine.
All good.
All good.
Victory.
I think I might need to just try and shove that whole tank backwards a little bit. It's a little bit too far forward. So that's just get the feet onto it again and kick the shit out of it.
We'll see how far it moves from up here.
Yep.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Just needs to be so that centre plate,
Yep.
top plate is sort of central in that opening.
Oh, it's not central, but it's not far off.
Yeah, be able to get onto all the bolts.
Yeah.
That'll do, don't care.
I don't think that was that hard personally, but I don't know what he's whinging about.
Yeah. One strap to go. After 30 years, I've worn out a fucking 14 mil.
Socket.
Yeah, oh, it's an SEK, so I would have had that for at least 30 years, as long as I've had that Synchrome ratchet.
Oh, it's not bad going.
Not bad going. Was there over there another 14 mil? There was one on a
Swivel head?
Yep. I think that's a single hex, yeah. And I'll get one more. And that's Ralph.
Yeah.
And that's a click. And I'm fucking done. Got this fucking fuel tank back in. Thank Christ for that. What's the bet? What do you reckon? It's gonna leak like a fucking sieve at these joints?
Nah. Should be right.
I fucking hope not.
If it does, just weld it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it,
That's the
mate.
best thing to do with fuel tanks.
Get a few sparks happening.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, mate.
No dramas.
I might just have to have a little snooze now.
No worries. I'll give you a nudge.
Yeah, I bet you will. Well, I reckon we might sign this video off here. So, I hope you liked the video. I don't know what the fuck to say. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good shit.
Yeah.
And check out Skid Pig's channel. He does a fucking marvellous job with that.
You won't
And
see any fucking working under cars on my channel.
Nah, only working in fucking bilges of boats.
Yeah, boats.
So that's the hardest part of this job's done. The tail shaft's got to go back in, but that's
Well, you still got
That's
front wheel
5
drive.
still air front wheel drive, so
Yeah, you'll be right.
All right, I'm out of here. Catch us later. Slap that fucker, mate.
Bust it up, fucked up, broke down mess.